Welcome back to the I Want to Learn English Writing Journey for Beginners. In Activity 18, we are going to focus on topic sentences. We will be highlighting 6 steps in understanding and writing topic sentences. Learn the purpose of topic sentences and how to write clear and effective ones. These 6 steps will help you build the foundation for drafting strong paragraphs. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. Explanation of topic sentences. First, let's ask, what is a topic sentence? A topic sentence is the main idea of a paragraph, usually found at the beginning. It tells the reader what the paragraph will be about and sets the tone for the supporting details that follow. A good topic sentence is clear, specific, and related to the overall theme. For example, in reading this short paragraph, my favorite season is summer. The weather is hot and sunny. I like to go to the beach and swim in the ocean. Summer is a fun time to relax and enjoy the outdoors. Here, the first sentence is, my favorite season is summer. So everything else mentioned in the paragraph relates to that stated fact. We know that in summer, the weather is hot and sunny. We also know that many people love going to the beach and swim in the ocean. So we can assume the writer of this paragraph is one of those people that love going to the beach and being outdoors. But let's dig a little deeper into this. In step 2, we're going to look at some more clear examples. 1. The first general topic, my favorite season. Like in the previous example, the topic sentence is, spring is my favorite season because of the warm weather, blooming flowers, and longer days. The fact that spring is this writer's favorite season is not only stated, but we're given some examples. Warm weather, blooming flowers, and longer days. Our second general topic, the importance of learning English. Topic sentence. Learning English is essential for communicating globally and opening up better job opportunities. Here we are given 2 important reasons for learning English. Number 3. The next general topic, why exercise is important. Topic sentence. Regular exercise keeps your body healthy, improves your mood, and increases your energy level. Perhaps the most helpful thing to do for you as beginning writers is to practice. In step 3 of your textbook, we're going to do just that. Practice writing topic sentences. Let's get started. Number 1, provide a general topic. Write a topic sentence for each of the following topics. A hobby I enjoy. For example, I really like podcasting. So I can write something like many people, I enjoy podcasting because I share important information, reach many people around the world, and it is fun to do. A place I would like to visit. For example, many people visit Rome, Italy. A good topic sentence for this could be, many people visit Rome, Italy every year to see the historical sites, to visit the Vatican, and also for the incredibly delicious Italian food. The best way to stay healthy. For example, eating plenty of vegetables and exercising are good ways to stay healthy. So a good topic sentence can be, the best ways to stay healthy include eating lots of vegetables, exercising regularly, and avoiding bad habits like smoking. Number 2, group feedback. Share your sentences with a partner or the class. Discuss what makes each sentence effective and how it could be improved. Step 4, matching activity. Look at the chart in your textbook. You see two columns. On the left are three general topics. On the right are three possible topic sentences. Match the general topic with the appropriate topic sentence. Then write the correct letter on the line. Pause the video now and write your answers. Let's look at number 1. It reads, "The benefits of reading books." Now, let's look at the three possible matches. A. Teamwork helps people achieve goals faster and more effectively. B. Reading books improves vocabulary and helps reduce stress. And C. Protecting the environment. If you wrote B, reading books improves vocabulary and helps reduce stress, you are correct. Number 2 says, reasons to protect the environment. If you answered C, protecting the environment ensures a better future for all, you are correct. And number 3 says, why teamwork is important. If you answered A, you are correct. Teamwork helps people achieve goals faster and more effectively. All right, let's move on to step 5. Independent writing. Your task is to write a short paragraph based on one of your topic sentences. Include at least 3 supporting details to develop the main idea. For example, here's the topic sentence. Spring is my favorite season because of the warm weather, blooming flowers, and longer days. Here's the example paragraph from your textbook. Spring is my favorite season because of the warm weather, blooming flowers, and longer days. I enjoy spending time outside in the sunshine and feeling the gentle breeze. The colorful flowers make parks and gardens beautiful, creating a cheerful atmosphere. Plus, the longer days give me more time to spend with family and friends outdoors. Pause the video now and write your short paragraph. When you are finished, share it with your teacher, your classmates, your tutor, or with me. You can always write your responses in the comments section of this video, and I will gladly give you my feedback. Finally, we come to step 6, reflection and discussion. Work with someone and answer these questions. 1. What did you find easy or challenging about writing topic sentences? 2. How does a strong topic sentence help guide the rest of the paragraph? And 3. Why is it important to match the topic sentences with the details in the paragraph? Pause the video now and have that discussion. Excellent work! You are doing very well. Don't forget to visit our website at iwtle.com to get updates and to order books from our catalog, including Writing Journey for Beginners. Like and share this video too. It really helps out the channel. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep practicing your writing skills.